Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Champion 100177, totally automatic. The ATS-50 Emergency Essentials automatic transfer switch has 8 available circuits and provides seamless power to your home during an outage, quietest in class. Thanks to advanced sound dampening and a specially designed low-tone muffler, this generator operates at a residential-friendly 59.5 dBA noise level. Reliable, 24-volt starting system operates. Briggs Stratton 40449. You've probably heard about Briggs Stratton, so you are familiar with how popular they are and how qualitative their products are. The generators they offer are varied, and we have chosen the 40449 because it's one of the customer's favorite. It's a more compact version that weighs only 272 pounds, which is not much considering it's made of steel and comparing it to other. Kohler 14 Riesel, 200 SELS, 14,000 watt air-cooled home generator automatically starts up when the power goes out. Includes 100 amp, 16 circuit, indoor, automatic transfer switch, CARB compliant. Fast response power to your home in 10 seconds, premium power quality, quiet operation. 100% corrosion-proof enclosure offers protection from even the harshest seaside conditions. Measures 48 by 26.2 by 29 inch. Generac 7037 Guardian Series, the second best product, is another model from Generac, namely the 7037, that is a more powerful version of 22,000 watts. It's also a bigger size whole house model that can be used to power anything from lights, excluding halogen, to power tools, small and large appliances, and water pumps. The 999 cubic centimeters engine, designed by OEM branded, takes its power from natural gas. Generac 7043 Guardian Series. Generac is a company that designs the most reliable and resistant products, and their 7043 Guardian Series can sustain the entire house without any effort. It's a powerful 16,000 watts machine that can be used on a 122/40 single-phase current. Thanks to the true power technology and the powerful G-force engine,